Every coastline has a story. Coral reefs growing, mangroves protecting shores, ecosystems working quietly to support life on Earth. But these environments need people who care enough to protect them. People like you. At Envirotech Education, you can study 2 nationally recognized qualifications in one program. The dual certificates 4 in marine habitat conservation and restoration and conservation and ecosystem management. Learn how to design and monitor conservation projects, restore coral reefs and mangroves, assess biodiversity, and apply real-world environmental management skills. With blended learning, practical training, and structured vocational industry placement, you'll gain hands-on experience in the environments you're working to protect. This 58-week program welcomes passionate individuals ready to build careers in marine conservation and ecosystem management. Open to both domestic and international students, this program brings together people from around the world with one shared purpose: protecting our planet's future. Start your journey with Envirotech Education.